Automate anything with Notebook LM. Here's how. You are wasting hours processing documents you didn't need to read manually. You are missing key insights buried in reports nobody has time to finish. You are creating content the slow way when AI can do it in seconds. And the worst part, the tool that fixes all of this is completely free. Most people have no idea it even exists, and the ones who do are only scratching the surface of what it can do. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use Google Notebook LM to automate your research, your content, and your learning. And by the end of this video, you will have a full workflow you can use today. I am Ava, and I teach people how to actually implement AI tools in real life. Not theory, not hype, just practical stuff that works. If that is your thing, subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss what is coming next. So first, what even is Notebook LM? It is Google's free AI research assistant, but it works differently from ChatGPT or other general AI tools. Instead of pulling answers from the whole internet, Notebook LM only answers based on the sources you upload: your documents, your PDFs, your content. Think of it like having an AI assistant who has actually read everything in your files and can talk to you about it intelligently. Because it stays grounded in your sources, every answer comes with citations you can check. That is what makes it trustworthy in a way most AI tools are not. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, slides, sheets, website links, YouTube video links, audio files, and plain copied text. Each notebook holds up to 50 sources on the free plan. That is a lot of material for one project. And here is the part most people do not know about yet. Notebook LM just got a massive update that changes what this tool can do. Stay with me because this is where it gets really interesting. Getting started takes about 2 minutes. Go to notebooklmgoogle.com. You just need a Google account. No credit card, no sign-up form. Just log in and you are in. Hit the button to create a new notebook. Give it a name, upload your sources. Once it processes them, Notebook LM gives you a summary and you can start asking it questions right away. The free plan gives you 100 notebooks, 50 sources per notebook, and up to 500,000 words per source. For most people, that is more than enough. Now let me show you what the Studio panel can actually do, because this is where the automation lives. Now, when I first started using tools like Notebook LM, I was honestly overwhelmed. There are so many AI tools and workflows, and it is hard to know which ones are actually worth your time. That is when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. On the right side of your Notebook LM screen, you will see the Studio panel. This is where you turn your sources into outputs with one click. The Studio panel recently got a major upgrade. Before this, you could only create one of each output type per notebook. Now you can create and store multiple outputs of the same type. That unlocks a lot, and I will show you exactly how in a second. The 4 output types are audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, and reports. Audio overviews turn your sources into a podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts. They dig into your content, explain it, debate it. You can listen while you commute or cook. There is even an interactive mode where you can talk back to the hosts in real time. That feature is genuinely impressive. Mind maps create a visual map of the concepts in your sources. Great for seeing how ideas connect. And now you can explore the mind map while your audio is playing at the same time. Reports give you structured written summaries, briefing documents, study guides, FAQs, timelines. One click. And then there is the new one everyone is talking about. Video overviews. Turn any document into a video. Google launched video overviews in July 2025. By August 2025, they expanded it to support over 80 languages. So this is not just for English speakers. Here is what it does. You upload your sources, click Video Overview in the Studio panel, and Notebook LM creates a narrated slide video that pulls images, diagrams, quotes, and numbers directly from your documents. Automatically, you get 2 format options. The explainer is a full comprehensive walkthrough. The brief is shorter for quick insights. Perfect for sharing with a team or getting up to speed fast. There are also 8 visual style options, including classic, whiteboard, watercolor, anime, and more. These are powered by Google's Nano Banana Image Generation model, added in October 2025, which generates custom illustrations based on your actual source content. Or you can just let Notebook LM pick the style for you. And because you can now create multiple video overviews per notebook, here is what that unlocks. One video aimed at beginners, one for experts, one in English, one in Spanish, one covering section 1, one covering section 2, all from the same sources, all in the same notebook. This is the part most people skip, and it is where you get the most value. Every output can be customized with a steering prompt. When you generate a video overview or audio overview, look for the Customize option and tell it exactly what you need. Focus only on the financial data in this report. Explain this to someone who has never heard of this topic. I am already an expert. Skip the basics and focus on implementation. The more specific your instructions, the better the output. Notebook LM is doing the heavy lifting. Your job is just to point it in the right direction. Real use cases for content creators. Upload your research and reference links. Generate an audio overview to brainstorm angles. Use the Q&A to pull specific quotes and data points. It cuts your research time significantly. For team leads, drop your meeting transcripts, project docs, and strategy files into a notebook. Generate a briefing document in seconds. With the paid plan, you can share it in chat-only mode so your team can ask the AI questions directly without seeing all the raw source material. For students, upload your lecture slides and reading materials. Generate a study guide and flashcards with one click. Use the audio overview to review while you walk, then use the mind map to see how everything connects before your exam. For researchers, upload multiple papers and reports. Ask Notebook LM to find patterns, compare findings, pull timelines. Every answer cites your source material so you can verify it instantly. Notebook LM is a free tool that turns your documents into podcasts, videos, study guides, mind maps, and briefing docs. It stays grounded in your sources, cites everything, and the Studio panel now lets you create multiple versions of each output tailored to different audiences and languages. The only thing left is to actually try it. Open a notebook, upload something you have been meaning to read, and let Notebook LM do the work. If you want to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What is working, what is not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I post practical AI content every week. See you in the next one.